as a mother and a grandmother, we all, and everybody I know, wants to open up the schools. Indeed, a large percentage, overwhelmingly, the teachers want to open up the schools. But it has to be safe for the children. And to be safe for the children, we must attack this coronavirus. We must kill it off. We cannot ignore it, and we cannot call it a hoax, and we cannot misrepresent the facts as to what the status of it is. In order for the children to go back to school, our state and local governments have to function. That's what the HEROES Act is about.
But that said, what will the House do now?
No, we don't want our children to take risk to go to school. We're supposed to mitigate for any damage. We're supposed to keep them safe. So with stiff competition, that was one of the most ill-informed statements. Stiff competition, though, in this administration on this and other subjects.
That you may have to work out before the end of the month?
We must renew unemployment insurance. This morning, 16th straight week of 1 million people, over 1 million people applying for unemployment insurance. And we have to put the money in the pockets of people with our direct payments. Well, let me just say this about the Hyde Amendment. For 40 years. So we have to have common sense weigh in on this, common sense to listen to the scientist, and not CDC regulations that are predicated on a tweet. On a tweet. What? We always want any guidance that we get to be updated by the scientific knowledge and the rest. But this to be downgraded on a tweet just tells you how senseless all of this is.
I mean, had they ruled differently, you would have...
Again, if the community doesn't want the statue there, the statue shouldn't be there. That doesn't diminish my pride in my Italian-American heritage and the fact that it was a country discovered by an Italian, named for an Italian, Amerigo Vespucci. So I have that pride, but I don't care that much about statues.
Shouldn't that be done by a commission or the city council, not a mob in the middle of the night throwing it into the harbor?
People will do what they do. I do think that from a safety standpoint, it would be a good idea to have it taken down if the community doesn't want it. I don't know that it has to be a commission, but it just could be a community view. And